review how site will address the operate stage phase. So operate stage phase phaser will be conducted, and this is done. And commissioning procedure.
Sorry, Shaman.
Yeah,
Shaman, 6.7. In the punch list item, do we have any housekeeping recommendation from end user?
Nishad.
Yes, sir.
Nishad.
Yes, sir.
So, do we have any housekeeping recommendation?
Bobolo, your voice is
during MC walk down there was a recommendation. We close.
Yeah. So, Nisha, there is a question from Bobolo that during punch list, was there any punch list related to the housekeeping, related to safety equipment installation?
It was in the PSSR as well in the MC walk down, and it has been incorporated, and the punch has been closed.
Okay.
In PSSR and MC walk down.
Okay. So again, do we have any site restoration audit that have been done for this area?
Nishad?
For the
Sir, can you
cable route, we did restoration.
So we did the inspection.